Hi, this is Carrie from Winville Wine Blog, and today I wanted to show you one of the hostess gifts that I bring to wine tasting parties. I'm not going to bring wine because the hostess has already picked out the wines that she wants to serve, etc. And I might bring flowers, but then the hostess has to stop and go put them in a vase, so it's better to send flowers the next day to say thank you. So I have picked up this dark chocolate for wine pairing kit, very inexpensively I might add, at Cost Plus World Market over in Woodinville and in Redmond too. This features dark chocolate mini sea salt caramels, dark chocolate honeycomb chips, and pure dark chocolate squares. I like the variety, otherwise I don't want to show up with just a chocolate bar and be like, hi, thanks. And the hostess might not choose to serve this at that particular wine tasting party, but she could put it away and enjoy it herself the next day or use it at the next one. This says, our dark chocolates pair great with Pinot Noir, Sangiovese, Cab Sauv, Merlot, Syrah, Zinfandel. Well, I tried it with some Barbera, and it was good too. So, cute little box. I forget exactly what I paid for it. It was not very expensive. Best by June 30, 2020. Yeah. Easy to wrap, except for this little thing if you were going to bring it wrapped. But I could bend that down and tape it, I guess. Or just show up with it here, because if you show up with a wrapped gift, then the hostess feels bad opening it in front of someone. I don't know. Anyway, thought I would let you know that this exists, and it's easy to pick up at Cost Plus. Thanks for watching.